Hey guys, any of you have a lot of cucumbers? I'm going to tell you what you can do with it. Here's what you can do with it. You just slice them up, put a little onions in there, and cook it with a little bit of water in a stock pot. And it comes out super tender, delicious, and it tastes, exactly like fresh cucumbers, right? You know what I mean? It doesn't lose its flavor or anything. It's delicious, but it's soft because it's a vegetable. You can cook it. I didn't realize that, and I've never eaten a cooked cucumber until recently, till today, and I'm like, wow, that is delicious. I'm going to have to show everybody and let them know that you can cook cucumbers. I never even gave it a thought. You can actually, if you don't want to cook it on a stove like this, you can also put it on a tray and just throw it in the oven for 5 or 10 minutes on 350, I'd say, just until your cucumbers get soft. And you can put, if you want seasonings, you can put any type of seasoning on it that you'd like. Hey, if you like this little video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and leave me a comment. Okay, bye-bye.